Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a TEMU haul to share with you. If you're new to TEMU, I do have a TEMU code and also have a $100 bundle, so go ahead and use that. So yes, let's get into this. Let's check out some of the goodies that I have today. We'll start off with some of the charms today. And actually, these are flatbacks. And these are some spring flowers. Look how cute these are. Look at those. Look at those nice blooms. So they do have some pink, some purple, some blue, some dark pink, and then some yellows. And then I'll have all the links in the description below. And that. And if you don't see them in the description, do leave a comment because I have forgotten before. So do let me know if you can't find them. I'm always here to help. So I got those cuties. Next one I have here, now these are charms. These are actually Sanrio. Look at these. Now these are real nice. Look at that. So this one you got Melanie, you have Kuromi, you have Pom Pom, you got Cinnamon, Roll. I don't think you got Hello Kitty, but you got everybody else. That. And like I said, these are charms. Yeah. These will actually be cool for earrings. Yeah, I got those. Another one I have here. This is like a Game Boy. These are flatback, but these ones you can also change into a charm. Now this one's a mixture because I see I don't know why I have a pretzel or a panda bow of, I don't know what that is, but it's supposed to be a Game Boy one. So maybe those are extras. How many are I supposed to have? Oh, 15. So I actually got 2, so these are extras. Alright, so that's that. How cute are those? And these are flatbacks, but they're thick enough where you can actually add an eye screw to them to make them into a charm. So yeah, I got 2 extras. So far, the last time I was getting broken ones, and this time I've been getting extras. Look at that. So I'm not complaining. So that's little Game Boys, and this one comes blue, pinks, yellow, greens, and brown. And this is random, so different colors. You don't get to choose what color you want. Okay, put that out the way. Next thing I have are these heart jemmies. Well, not really jemmies, but they're beads. The gems will be a little bit better, shinier than that, but they're alright. So I got these here. And this one you get blue, purple, orange, red, and green, and pink. Let's see how many. Let me see. $50. So you get 50 of these. Is that right? Yeah. So you get 50 of these ones. So this haul, I didn't get a lot of flatbacks or charms. I did get more of the some dies and um, some dies and a few stamps, but not too much of the charms and stuff. Let me go ahead and show you the next thing. These clips, and I got them in pink. I forgot what the actual name is. I will put it in the description. I went blank again as always. But if you remember, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, because I know you guys always help me out. But yeah, I got these in pink. I think these are super cute. You could always do a little dangle and hang it and clip it to your journals, which is what I want to do with these. So I got these in pink, and they're actually pretty good. So I got them in pink here, and then I do have it in a mint green. When it comes to pastel colors, I love all the pastel colors. Even the green, oh my god, I love the green. Look at that. The green. And I also was able to get the purple. They didn't have the pink in stock. I mean the blue, so I wasn't able to get the blue yet. But I will be getting the blue. And I got the blue. The purple. And they do come in this real nice container, so I like that. So I got the pink, purple, and the mint. So I need to find yellow and blue to complete my set. So I got those. Another cool find I have is this like cardstock mixed texture paper, and I wanted to try out. I'm doing like a gothic journal for a friend, so I want to go ahead and get some texture paper, and I wanted to try this one out. So this one is in blacks and I believe grays and whatnot. I want to see how this looks. And this shop had multicolor, so let's see what this one has. Yeah, so this paper materials pack. Okay, so it does have your little so this does have like a mesh, almost like the one that you get at Dollar Tree. So you get your black mesh here, almost like Dollar Tree mesh with the little white speckle. You get that one. And then you get another one, a little like checker, black and white. Actually, let me get a paper so you can see it better. Black and white one. And this one's a white, like a rice paper almost. Actually, this is like a homemade paper. That's pretty cool. And this is like a, what do you call it? This is another type of mesh. I know I have a roll of this, which I bought. That's another one. Let me show you that on there. That's nice. This is like a crimpled up paper. This is one side. Yeah. This is like a crimpled paper. There's another, like a mesh. Oh, this is two. That's the gray one. That's like the black one. I do have these in rows. And this is their mesh, like the Dollar Tree. It's actually pretty nice. It's actually a nice set. And the white, the black. And that's your white version of the checker. And then your crinkle black. And they do have like a tissue paper. And then you have your tool with the snowflake. Then you do got like vellum paper. This is a nice little set right here. So you want to try just have random paper textures. This is a nice little set. So I like that. Okay, next thing I have is some dies. So I do have a reinforcement die. I don't have this in my stash. And what I like about this is you don't have to take this apart, just run it through your little machine and you have several of the same one. So let me show you that one. I got that one. Next thing I have is this like a little cute kawaii teacup. It does have a little smiley face to it. That's another one I have. That's a real cute one. Like that. Also, this one here. Let me take this one out so you don't have a glare. This one shows better. This one is like a cloud, I believe. I'll have a picture of this one in the video. But you have this one here, and you have different sizes here. There's another one. That's actually pretty nice. Like that one. Okay, this one here's a nesting die, and it's just different sizes you could use. Like that. So this like a ruffle, circular little ruffle. So I also got that one. Okay, this one, I got this one. This is a jam. Well, actually, no, this is not a jam. This one is like a candy jar. So you have your jelly beans there, but you could also use this as for hearts or stars. And here goes your jar. And it does have an outer piece and an inner piece, and you got your label there for that one. So that was a nice little one there too. This one here is a sticker, a stamp and die set. Let me show you. Okay, this one is the jelly bean jar. And this one is, you have your jar, jelly bean, and you do have some sentiments here. Now this does have a coordinating die. The only thing is it does not come together, so you do have to buy it separate. So you have to be careful that sometimes the stamp does sell out or the die does sell out. So do pay attention. This does cut the jelly beans on the top and the jar and the little label and the jelly bean on the top. Let's see, and the lid. It does not cut the, let's see, does not cut any of the sentiments nor the smiley faces. Well, the smiley face you just put on there. But yeah, so that's actually a pretty nice little stamp set. So I got that. So like I said, make sure if you want both, you gotta put them both in your shopping cart. So I got that one. And then I did get another die set. Let me open that one. Okay, this one is the bee and the strawberry. And this one also has a die with it. But this one also, you must order both. So you gotta be careful. If you want both, you need to put them both in your shopping cart. They do not come together. But this one does cut everything but the sentiment. Yeah, so the only thing it does not is the sentiment. Everything else does cut through here. But yeah, this is actually a pretty nice little cute die set. Look at that. Stamp set, should I say. You have your two little bees, your strawberry flowers. And then you do, even cuts the little stem. So yeah, this is a little cute set. Yep, so that's it. That is all for my little haul today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything will be listed below in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.